Hey guys, welcome back to part, 7, 6, 7, you know what I'm saying? But like, okay, so we'll be finishing, let's see, we'll be finishing part 5 plus chart. We're going to be doing these. We haven't gotten to it yet. Let's do this.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. Oh no, it looks like Bonnie's guitar is out of tune and must be recalibrated. First, we must access his harmony. Great job.
Thank you.
Deposit the left eye in the cleaning receptacle on your left. Well done.
Not him.
Now, firmly grip Bonnie's right eye and carefully remove it from its socket.
Don't work. Okay, it's that one glitch again. I control it.
Deposit the right eye in the cleaning. Good job. To open Bonnie's faceplate, carefully press the two buttons located on either side of Bonnie's jaw. When done correctly, you should hear two small clicks.
Are you kidding me right now?
Well done. You now have access to Bonnie's harmonization module. Press the blink.
Okay, I'll be doing it.
Something is not right. One of those notes is out of tune. You may push the button again to replay the audio check. Press the colored button that corresponds to press the blinking button again to verify your work. Great job. Bonnie is in tune and ready for his solo. Let's close him up. Simply replace both eyes in the same order that you removed them, then close up the faceplate, and we'll call it a day.
Holy lag, all these particles.
Well done. That concludes your parts and services task.
Holy
See you
lag,
next time.
I did. Okay, guys. After the Bonnie level, let's just say I had tech. Okay, guys. After the Bonnie level, there's the technical difficulties. I kind of finished parts and service. It's not that really important. Also finished BB and Plus Trap. We're gonna redo those two, because who really cares? It's just the same thing from last time. We're gonna just finish these two, and that's it. Super sorry guys about it, and my bad for twice not 2 weeks for not 2 weeks. Cause Bonnie flagged the heck me out and then maybe stop recording. So let's just redo this too, and that's it. Okay. This will be a short, probably not short, maybe 10, 15 minutes. But okay, let's just begin. Guys, 11 seconds left. Holy crap, I counted the 5 multiple times. Something. Okay, well, we gotta finish this. Let's do this. Lagged out again in the lobby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was about to win.
Hello.
2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Hello.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1,
Hello.
2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes! Let's go. Hate this. Almost fell. Who's hanging here? You know what? I know it's gonna be like a 10-minute video, but this video had a lot of technical difficulties. And like, I got you there. I got you there. You know what I'm saying? Okay, but let's end with part 7. See y'all later. I'll fix these controllers, I guess. And part 8 will be longer. Bye, guys.